Here we go. Me and my brother race dirt bikes. So, yeah, we're gonna film him today. Racing.
31.
Number 31.
You see right there?
So here we go. We're gonna film him jumping that jump over there. Here we go. Here we go. Yep, he's gonna jump this. Me and my brother race motorcycles out. Oh! Did you see that? Let's go! Oh, that's nice. Here he comes. Let's get down. He's coming. Yeah, we've been racing for a while now. He's been racing a little bit longer than me. I just started, but we're pretty good as a team. And please subscribe. That was nice. Let's get back to the jump. That was a nice one. So yeah, I hope you like this video and please subscribe. Let's get to this jump. Let's go! This is actually our house, believe it or not. Yeah, Dad's building some tracks. Come on, show us what you got here. Nice! I told you, please subscribe on this video. Oh, here he comes. Come on. What was that? What was that?
I don't know, I'm trying to go roll the first one and trying to single the second one. Didn't work out though.
He's on 5. He has an electric bike.
Oh, let's try to. Maybe I should try to do this course backwards.
Yeah, do it backwards. How do you jump that though? Will you jump it? No?
I'm gonna find out.
Here we go.
I think I'm gonna find out.
I'm gonna get Shadow. You kitty. Out of my way. Yeah, we're racing. Come on. Good kitty.
Try this backwards.
Backwards, here we go. Okay. Backwards. Let's do this. Sorry that I'm not racing today. I'm kind of done for now. I've been racing for a while. I decided to retire. I'm going to fly my drone, take some videos of Ice Guys races. I hope you watch those 2 on our channel. It might be a little bit because, you know, I have to wait until the next race, which is a long time. So, yeah, I hope to see you on the next video we make out. Let's go! Jump this thing! Try to jump it. Do something cool. Yeah, he can't make it. Oh, did you see that door? Let's go. Nice one.
Backwards.
You splattered dirt at us.
I'm backwards on the course, Neil Shy.
Okay, let's watch him up with this jump. Almost there. Bam. He rips this one. That was. Wow. Did you see that? From here to here. That's crazy. Nice one. That is what I call jumping. Dude, I can't jump far. This is where I land. And he lands over there. Nice. Well, we'll see you for the next episode of racing. I might film with my drone, like I said, in a little bit, so we'll see you there.
Next time, like in a long time ago, like in a little while, you can be up there watching.
Oh yeah, you're going to be up there watching. So we'll see you for the next racing video. We'll see you there.